I'm Denise. I'm a photographer and I'm going to show you where I work.
Hermit crabs and calorie shells crushed beneath his feet as he comes towards you. He's waving at you. Lift him up to see what you can see as he begins his focusing here, aiming at you. And now he has cutaways from memories and close-ups of anything that he has seen or even dreamed. And now he's finished focusing his imagining lightning striking seasickness away from here.
My practice is usually out in the field. I'm a documentary photographer, so I don't actually spend that much time in the studio. I'm usually out shooting, but when I am, particularly during lockdown, I work on film, so I spend a lot of time scanning negatives and printing and developing at home at the kitchen table and in my garage, which is where I've got a made up dark room that I hastily put together at the beginning of lockdown.
Driftwood floats after years of erosion. Incoming tide touches roots to expose them. Quicksand steals my shoes. Clouds bring the F-stop blues.
During lockdown, I took the opportunity to teach myself some new skills. So I also took up cyanotype printing.
So anything that he has seen or even dreamed. And now he's finished focusing his imagining lightning striking seasickness away.